raising, there's a lot of theories why a specific thing happened. And one of the theories that fascinated me through many years is the theory that a great long distance bird should have a kind of a loose tail attachment and not a very strong tail to back attachment like this wonderful pigeon. So I want to use this blue check cock and his two brothers. I own all three of them, and I'm going to show you each of them. But this cock, bred from a super global pair, is a winner over 800 kilometers. Now, if you look at this pigeon, it's not a small pigeon, it's medium in size, but it's a perfectly structured pigeon. It's a well balanced pigeon, and it has a strong back, and when the back goes into the tail, it's rock solid. So when I'm talking about a loose tail attachment, then the tail will stand up a bit like this, and it won't be solid. Where the back goes over into the tail, there would be a kind of a dip or a break in. It's not a solid unit. So this cock performed exceptional. Like I said, he is a winner over 800 kilometers. Now, two of his brothers, one over 900 kilometers, and the other one also over 750 kilometers. Let me just show you their similarities to this one. This blue bar cock is the full brother of the blue checker I've just shown you. Now, he's also a winner over 750 kilometers, and he's got a different eye to his brother. You can see there. But to talk about my point, or the point at question here, is a loose tail attachment better, or is a solid structure better for the long distance? Now, once again, this pigeon, if you look at the transition from the back to the tail, it is solid as can be. Look at that. It's really solid. There's no looseness about it. So he's the full brother, and also a great racer. This was a magnificent racer, this global cock. So the solid back and structure, once again, I think is better for the long distance. So just lastly, let me show you the third brother of this pair. So this magnificent blue bar cock is a full brother to the previous two, and arguably this cock was the best. He's also got the pearl eye, and he flew a 900-kilometer race and won it on the day. He was absolutely a magnificent racer. He's feeding now, you can see. But once again, if one look at the transition from the back to the tail, it is as solid as can be. It's a strong pigeon. You can see there, really, there's no looseness about this. Absolutely strong. So I think for me, a long distance pigeon, or any pigeon, should have a seriously strong structure. Otherwise, it's just no good. I know that there are some pigeons that do fly that has loose tail attachments, but if I look at these three, for me, I would like a strong structure. I hope you've enjoyed this. Keep well.